5:39, a local Air Force veteran and single mother received a free car.
Darcy Kerrigan left an abusive relationship. She overcame homelessness, and she now has a stable job. To thank her for her service to our country and to provide her with a much-needed lift, Caliber Collision and Allstate teamed up to present Kerrigan with a newly refurbished car.
It means freedom. It means it's a long story, but I haven't had a car in my name, and only my name, since the 1980s, I believe. Might have been early 90s. So this is the first car I've had in my name since I was, I believe, for a long time.
Oh, and it's a beautiful car, too. They did a good job. With some reliable transportation, Kerrigan says she will now be able to better manage her work schedule, take her daughter to school, and wherever else they want to go. She kind of summed it up perfectly by saying it's freedom. She can go wherever she wants.
Oh, she's so lucky, and that is a beautiful car. She can look very cruising around.
Nice and shiny.
Mm-hmm.